Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to blur a background directly in CapCut. So let's bring our media onto our timeline. What you want to do is bring the same media above. Then you want to select the top media here, press Cutout, and then select Auto Cutout. This may take a while depending on the length of the clip. This is a pretty small clip, so it shouldn't take too long. There we go. So now we've cut out the lady. Now what we need to do is come to Effects, search out for Blur. And we want to drag this blur effect onto the bottom clip. There you go, straight away we've seen the blur effect. Now if you don't like that blur effect, you can delete it and select this one. And this will allow you to adjust the different levels of blur. Then when you play the clip, you've blurred the background like that. So that's how to blur the background within CapCut. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.